Hello and welcome back to iPhone Made Simple. If you sometimes just want your iPhone to stop making noise or sending notifications, you are not alone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Do Not Disturb to give yourself some peace and quiet. Nothing we change here will stop anything important. You're always in control. Section 1. What Do Not Disturb actually does. Do Not Disturb silences calls, alerts and notifications. Your phone still works, it just doesn't interrupt you. Section 2. How to turn it on. So, option 1. Swipe down from the top right of your screen. Then tap the focus button. Tap Do Not Disturb. Section 3. What happens when it's actually on? Your phone won't ring or make notification sounds. You can still check messages and calls whenever you want. Nothing is lost, it's just quiet. Section 4. Turning it off. To turn it off, go back to the same place and simply tap it again. Section 5. Optional scheduling. You can also set Do Not Disturb to come on automatically at certain times. Do Not Disturb is a simple way to take control of your phone. I post simple iPhone tips like this each week to make everyday use easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.